Hi everyone, welcome to my mini apartment tour. So I have been wanting to post a full apartment tour on my YouTube channel, but I just don't feel like my apartment is fully finished yet. It still is a little sparse, there's not a lot of decorations. So I want to wait to film an official tour until I have it a little bit more decorated. But until then, I thought it would be fun to share a mini tour with you guys here on Patreon. So that's what I'm gonna do. So when you first walk in, we have this little hallway that leads into our living room. So half of the living room is my office and then the other half is the living room. But it's basically just a couch because we don't have a TV or anything, so it's just a place to sit and relax at the end of the day. But for the most part, this room is used for my office. And here is the bookshelf. This has tons of books and then just some random odds and ends, little knickknacks, and it also has some of my craft supplies and filming supplies, so it's just kind of a little bit of everything. Our couch has tons of pillows and blankets to make it nice and cozy. Jaren's bike is also usually here in the living room. And then through these French doors is our little dining room and kitchen. And I have the beginning of the gallery wall started, but I still want to get a few more frames and photos to fill it up a bit more. Our bathroom is really tiny, so there's not really that much to show, but I do love these shelves that we installed. They just look really nice, and we've put different skincare and beauty products on them. And then the bedroom is probably the least finished out of all of the rooms. We just haven't really put any effort into decorating it. It's pretty much just our bed, a shelf, and a dresser, and that's it. Eventually I'll decorate it and get some cool pictures on the wall and nightstands, but for now this is fine. We're pretty minimal when it comes to furniture and decorating, so it works for us. So that was my apartment. I hope that you enjoyed this little tour. If you have any suggestions for decorations or anything I should do in here, let me know. I would love to hear what you think. Until next time, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in another video really soon. Bye everyone.